we're going to be putting together a vacuum. A vacuum. And you want to know why? I don't have no content. This is not sponsored. I don't even get monetized for these videos because they're like, what, 3 minutes long? It's a Shark Rocket. And I'm greeted with congratulations. Thank you for choosing the Shark Rocket. Cordless ultralight vacuuming just got faster, easier, and cleaner. I hate myself. Oh, an instruction guide. Ugh! Okay, there's absolutely nothing in there. There's this. Oh, here's the top of it. Okay, I don't know how I'm gonna get that out. Here's this too. I think that's a brush. This is the big thing on the bottom. Okay, we have a long pole. I can smack a girl up. We're gonna put her here. Now what's down here? Fine! We have the thingy. The motor, sure. And this. Weed. Okay! Now that we have all the parts to the vacuum. I'm still depressed that I'm even doing this because I have no video content. Push. Twisty boy. Okay? If I drop this, my mother's going to kill me. Oh. It's rubber. Clean filter monthly. Okay. XL capacity. Dust cap. What are all of these buttons and switches? This is a really long cord. iPhone cords? Where are you at, sis? Step up your game. Let's just unravel here. Let's see how long this can go. Jesus, that is a long cable. I can see you. How does this even attach to this? Ah! Oh my god, that hurt! This just hit my knee! Oh my god! Okay, so okay, maybe it goes like this? Nope. Oh, wait. Yeah! Yes, sweetie, we did it! Please do not fall, I beg you. Trixie, if you hit my tripod, it'll fall on you. Okay. This is a wall mount! Okay, let's get this out before I end up yeeting this. I'll make it work. I can't get it off my thumb. Okay. Woo! I'm gonna break it. Let's see. Please don't hit my knee again. I beg you. Don't you dare take off my necklace! Let's see. Oh, dear Lord. I can't pick it up! Gravity's a butt. Yeah, clicked it. I think I got it. Please don't hit me in the head. Wow. Ooh, stretchy. If my phone does not shut up! Lock in place? It does? Whoa! It locks in place too! Wow! No, it won't. Okay, so from first impressions, it's pretty heavy. Ow! I hit my nail! Okay. Now, okay. Wouldn't go. I kind of have a mess all over the living room. I'm gonna clean this up and hopefully get you. Here's the segment of the video where I clean my bedroom. I never did think my channel would come to this, to be honest, but here we go. You best not fall. You best not fall. Now, here's the vacuum here. It seems pretty easy to maneuver. Let's turn it on. Let's see how loud it is. Wow, that's not that bad. Here comes the segment of cleaning. Wow, it's already done full. I don't know which way to hold this. I'm not. Oh no. Do that now. Oh god. Okay. Okay. I kind of made a mess here. Also, I kind of made a mess in the kitchen too, trying to dump this. You know what? She detaches. Let's plug her back up and clean this up now. Okay, now that I've got that all cleaned up, click her back up. Now I don't remember where I stopped. You know what? We're just gonna continue over here. Jesus freaking Christ. No, chill! Chill! And we're done. Here is the before. Here is the after. Okay, so my honest opinion of the Shark Rocket. Why am I doing a review on a vacuum? It's pretty decent. It needs a bigger storage, of course, but I mean, that's it. I mean, I really like that vacuum. That'll be it for this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a like. What was the point of this video? Comment below. That'll be it for this video. Bye, queens!